The Pikes Peak region is full of places that inspire wonder, spark curiosity, and bring people closer together, whether your kids are still in strollers or suddenly taller than you. Planning quality time for your family can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll show you 4 unique, family-approved experiences that combine fun, adventure, and connection. So whether you're visiting for the first time or rediscovering your backyard, these are places that you can laugh, explore, and create memories with your family. If your kids could design their dream day, it might look a lot like the North Pole Santa's Workshop. Tucked in the trees at the base of Pikes Peak, this family-owned theme park feels like stepping inside a snow globe, only with roller coasters, sleigh rides, and Christmas spirit. It's the kind of place where holiday magic happens every day, whether it's July or December. With over 24 kid-friendly rides, the park is designed so even that the littlest visitors can join in on the fun. You'll find parents and grandparents riding alongside the kids. You won't find Disneyland-sized crowds or hour-long waits here. Just laid-back, old-fashioned fun that lets you enjoy more time playing and less time standing around. The North Pole is especially great for families with young children. Think toddlers through elementary age, though there's enough nostalgia and scenery to charm older siblings and adults too. And of course, the highlight for many little ones is getting to meet Santa Claus himself. At the North Pole, the real magic isn't in the rides, it's in watching your kids light up with joy and getting to be a part of the memories as they're being made. For families who crave a little more adventure, Cave of the Winds Mountain Park is a perfect blend of discovery and excitement. Start by heading underground into a world carved out by time. Guided tours take you through twisting passageways filled with stalactites, flowstone, and stories of the cave's creation. It's cool, mysterious, and educational. They have multiple options for tours, from easy, well-lit walking tours that are perfect for young kids and grandparents, to more adventurous cave crawling experiences that teens and adults will love. Whether your family wants to take it slow or dive deep into the underground, there's a path for every pace and comfort level. Above ground, the thrills continue. The Windwalker Challenge course is a blast for anyone over 42 inches tall. The Pterodactyl Canyon Swing delivers adrenaline and unforgettable views, ideal for older kids and parents who want to feel like a kid again. Manitou Springs is a colorful town full of surprise, and the perfect place to slow down and enjoy time together. Wander the downtown streets where every block brings something new. Cozy cafes, quirky shops, excellent restaurants, and art tucked into every corner. Stop into some shops for homemade fudge or the perfect piece of Colorado merch. You'll find a handful of parks perfect for a snack break, a quick game of tag, or just letting the kids splash their feet in the river that runs through town. The Penny Arcade in Manitou is a blast from the past with vintage pinball, skee-ball, racing games, and more. Most of the games cost 25 cents or less, making it a fun, affordable stop where kids and parents can play side by side. One of Manitou's most unique features is its naturally carbonated mineral springs. Scattered throughout town, each one has a different mineral flavor. Grab a cup and go on a fizzy fountain scavenger hunt. Manitou is a great stop for all ages, ideal for mixed-aged families or anyone who wants to enjoy a more relaxed, open-ended kind of adventure. Whether you spend an hour or a couple days here, the family will find some fun on every corner. Step even further back into time at the Manitou Cliff Dwellings, where families can explore modeled homes built into the red rock cliffs similar to the style of the ancestral Puebloans. Unlike a historical site, the cliff dwellings are meant to be experienced up close. You can walk through rooms, climb ladders, and feel the stone walls under your hands. It's a totally immersive, hands-on way for kids to connect with history. It's like an outdoor museum that welcomes exploration. Inside the museum, interactive exhibits and detailed artifacts help explain the lives, tools, and culture of these early inhabitants of the Southwest. This stop is ideal for school-aged kids and up, children who love to climb, explore, and ask questions. It's engaging for curious learners and a great way to introduce real-world history through experience. Whether your family loves history or just loves to explore, the Cliff Dwellings are a great chance to explore something unique, a learning moment that's active, engaging, and unforgettable. In a world that's moving faster than ever, it's easy to miss the moments that matter most. But here in the heart of the Pikes Peak region, you get a rare chance to slow down, look your kids in the eye, and share something real. These places aren't about flashing lights and long lines. They're about joy that's honest, laughter that's unplanned, and memories that make you feel like home. Whether you're soaring above canyons, learning about ancient homes, or just holding hands down a small town street, you're making memories that last.